Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today, we are going to be making a card using the sheet load of cards sketch by the Crafty Owl. And it's called Call Me Crafty Owl. A-L, Owl. It's the January 2021 sketch. But first, before we get into our card, I'm going to want to remind you about the Sending Hearts Paper Pumpkin Kit for January. You have until the 10th to subscribe, and the add-on kit, the Little Love Boxes, is already available. And that number, product number is 156842. You can go to my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com to place an order, and you can see the monthly host code that it's there on my blog on the left hand side. Okay, I just wanted to remind you of that, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our project today. So I have a bunch of pieces of paper here. We are going to be using some new product that'll be available on the 5th of January, so just a few more days. We're going to be using the You Are Amazing stamp set. That's from the January to June 2021 mini catalog. And we're also going to be using this paper, which is the Flower and Field Designer Series paper. This is actually in the Sale-A-Bration catalog, which also starts on January 5th. And this is free. You can earn this paper for free by placing a $50 product order before shipping and tax. Okay. So these are the designs. Let me turn it over. Very pretty paper. There is a lot of beautiful things in the Sale-A-Bration catalog that you can earn for free. And if you need a catalog, the Sale-A-Bration or the new mini, just let me know. Send me an email at stampwithshana@gmail.com and let me know that you're in need of a catalog. Now, if you already have a demonstrator that you're working with that you purchased from, please request your catalog from them. Okay? So let me tell you what we have. We have some designer series paper, and these are cut at 2 by 1 3/4, 5 by 2 1/4, and 5 by 3 1/4. So those are the sizes of this. Then we have a piece of Whisper White for stamping. This is 2 by 2 1/2. Then we have some cherry cobbler cardstock, and we have 4 pieces of that. And these sizes are 5 1/8 by 3 1/2, 5 1/8 by 2 3/4, 2 1/4 by 4 1/4, 2 3/4 by 3/4. Okay, and then we have thick Whisper White as our base, and this measures 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And now the Whisper White cardstock is I believe it's already sold out, but we are replacing it with a different white, and I haven't gotten any of that yet, so I'm still using Whisper White. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started putting this together. We're going to layer some pieces. Let me get my Tombow adhesive here. And now these pieces are not cut to have a border all the way around all sides. So we're only going to have a border on 3 of the sides. Okay, so you want to put this at the edge on one end and in the middle, just like that. Okay, all the pieces are going to be that way. Let's see here. We need this one. You guys, this new mini, I cannot wait for the 5th. It has so much good stuff in it. Really cutesy things, some nice family things. Let's see. This one, I need to go it this way. I have been enjoying this holiday season. My husband has taken vacation time and spent a lot of time with us, so I've been in happy land. I think too happy because I haven't been crafting as much as I was supposed to. Okay, we're gonna put this one on here, and we're gonna put this right at the bottom, all the way to the edge at the bottom. Just like that. And then we're gonna move this to the side. We're gonna take our banner triple punch, and we're gonna flag the end of this. And I just wanna get that in here, lined up with the corners to try to get it centered. Hopefully that's, yeah, that's good enough. Okay, and then we're gonna do some stamping. So we're gonna be using the happy birthday image and these little stars, okay? So I'm gonna take my Whisper white piece, make sure it's going in the right direction, yep. And we're gonna take our happy birthday with some cherry cobbler ink. And we're gonna stamp that as straight as we can. Here in the Hive, you know, straight is not always straight. And I'm gonna put it closer to the top than the bottom. Okay. Then I'm gonna take some So Saffron, and I do need some scrap paper. Get some scrap paper. I'm gonna take that star image and just stamp it along the bottom. I want to turn it to get, oh no, different images, and I'm gonna put some at the top. And then along the sides here. Okay, get this out of the way. Then we're going to glue our image, our stamped image, to the top here. And we want to push this all the way to the top as well, right to the edge here. Try to get it even with this designer paper at the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to take this banner piece and put it right across, just like this. And I'm not going to go all the way to the end because that part is going to be hanging off. So we want to line this up right on the edge here. Okay, and let's put our card together. So we take our base and put our biggest layer down first. And this one is going to be all the way to the edge on this side. Just center it from top to bottom. Put it there. Then we're going to take this one, and it's going to go to the edge on this side. And just try to get it centered inside of that mat you just put down. And make sure that's right up to the edge there. Okay, and then I'm going to pop this layer. Oh no, did I just twist that? That looks a little crooked, but it's down. We're going to get some dimensionals on the back of this layer. So we're just going to put these at the tops and the bottom. Let me see. Yep, that's how I want it. I'm not putting any in the middle because it's already a lot of layers there. So I just want it, and this is going to be also edge to edge, okay? So I just want to get this where I want it. I want it over here a little bit more. Is that crooked? It is. Guys, I don't know why I can't get this stuff straight. Especially if I'm doing it edge to edge. It should be easy. There we go. Okay, now let's see if we can find some pretty embellishments to make this sparkle. We have these gold glitter enamel dots, or the gold gilded gems. Let me get this out. Oh, goodness. And I think with the So Saffron, these are going to look better. So we're going to use the gold glitter enamel dots. Get my Take Your Pick tool here. And I'm just going to add a few across this. I think I want to put some right here across this. I'm using the big ones here. Just to go across this banner. Maybe I should spread them out a little bit more. Put that one there. Yep, I think that's good. That is it. Isn't this cute? I love this paper. It's so pretty. And this stamp set, the You Are Amazing stamp set, it goes with the kit. I think it's called the Your Amazing Project Kit. So you buy them separately. So you don't have to get the kit just to get the stamp set. You can buy the stamp set on its own. So that's why I wanted to use it today without the kit, because I showed you already how to use this with the kit. So there's our January 2021 sheet load of cards sketch by the Call Me Crafty Al. This was her sketch design, and I just picked what papers and colors I wanted to use, okay? So if you enjoyed my video, I don't want you to forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.